In this video, we're going to take a look at the accessible pool and pool lift on the MSC Seaside. This is the Miami Beach pool area on the MSC Seaside. It is just aft of the Biscayne Bay Restaurant Buffet on deck 16. Now you'll notice we do have a wheelchair ramp that takes you up to the pool, and Cheryl's going up the ramp in her wheelchair. And right there is a pool lift, and so we'll see it in operation here in just a little bit. This pool is a little bit unusual in that it's fairly deep for a cruise ship pool. And it's an even bottom, so there's not any really shallow area. And throughout the entire pool, the water was over my head. And it was over my wife's head, and she's about 6 foot. So the water's deep in there. It's not a pool that you stand in, but it is a pool that's great for swimming in. You can see my wife, she's in the pool now. She's working on getting ready to come out of the pool. She just got buckled into the lift, and this is sped up a little bit because elsewise it's a very slow process. But I wanted you to see the lift in operation. It works really well. The staff now knows how to use it. It was something they weren't trained on before we got there. I guess we were the first people to ever use it on the ship. But it works really well. It's a great tool for those that need assistance in and out of the pool. If you look down and your subscribe button is red, that means you're not subscribed. If you click on the picture of my face in the lower left corner, you'll subscribe to the channel. And on the right side's a playlist I think you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching.